Happy birthday, Auntie Janice.
I'm Colin and I'm 8 years old.
Say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I'm Zed, I'm 13 years old. Happy birthday.
Hi, cuz. It's Lizette. Happy birthday to you. Take care. Love you. Bye.
Belated happy birthday, Jaja, from the Lounge Down Under. We hope that you had a wonderful birthday, and I hope to see you again here in Australia. And God bless you. Bye!
Hi, Ja! Kamusta ka na dyan? I've been looking for you sa cyberspace. Ang tagal na, sobra. I just learned with Kuya Dex na hindi ka pala nag-Facebook or Skype or whatever. So, wala lang. I just wanna reach out to you, talk to you, update things, buhay-buhay, ganyan. So, we just wanna greet you also a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tita Ja.
I know that you have been blessed with so many things, and so I just hope when you come home, let us know. Labas naman tayo. I want you to meet my children and my husband. Taka dito sa bahay, let's have coffee, etc. I miss you so much, girl. I hope to see you soon. I love you.
Hi Ate Ja, happy birthday po. Sana po natatandaan mo pa ako. I hope we will see you soon po. God bless and enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Jaja!
Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday! Remember Justin and Kuya Albert. Yan, nakasando pa rin. Yan, happy birthday! Just Kuya's fault he did not tell me about this. But belated happy birthday. We love you. You're my first daughter, ha? Remember that. Don't forget. Happy birthday!
Hi, Ja! Happy birthday ha! Belated na nga lang. Kumusta ka na? Pag nag-vacation ka, meet tayo. Tayo ni Dexter. Mag-pizza hut tayo. Yun yung gusto ni Dexter. Bye!
Hi, Ja. Kumusta? Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Long time no see. I think it's 4 or 5 years na wala pero I pray na God will give you the desires of your heart. I pray for more blessings. I pray that God will guide you, give you more wisdom. Ingat parati. God bless you. Love you. Bye.
Ate Jaja, we miss you already. Magpa-ramdam ka naman kahit sa Skype or Facebook. And hopefully, we'll get to visit you soon. And I don't know which part of America you live in. So please.
And stay beautiful as you are. Especially in the eyes of God. Bless you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Miss you! Thank you for everything!
I love you. Happy birthday. Ako na naman.
How are you? Kumusta ka na? Sayang, hindi na tayo makapag-party dito sa bahay. Wala kasi kayong lahat. Naalala ko tuloy yung mga panahon na yun. Parati kayong may ginagawang mga sorpresa sa bawat isa. Nagpa-party kayo at madalas dito kayo dito nyo ginagana. Ngayon, wala kayo, wala rin sila Erin tsaka si Viel. Pero hindi bale. Siguro darating din yung panahon, magkakasama ulit kayo. Talagang ganon. Kailangan buhay, kailangan ipamuhay, di ba? Magaganda, masasayang alaala na pwedeng balik-balikan each time.
Birthday to you, you belong to the zoo. Like a monkey, like a donkey, the gorilla is you.
Happy birthday, ate.
I just got back from the hospital, but now I'm strong. Pwede na, and I'm super slim.
Salamat. Maraming salamat sa ginawa mo. Tulong sa CGM.
Kiss mo yung bilog.
Okay, ganun. Ouch. Wait lang.
Stay happy. Bye-bye. Love you.
See you soon, Richmond and Jaja. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Taba naman, Marista, dyan. Mataba ako.
Jaja, we miss you!
The Lord bless you and keep you. The Lord make his face shine on you and be gracious to you. The Lord lift up his countenance on you and give you in abundance, honesty, loyalty.
Happy birthday, Ja! We miss you!
Happy birthday, Jaja. Happy birthday.
Go. Hi, Jaja. It's nice to know that it's your birthday, and there's a great blessing in birthdays. It's nice to know that there's a way for us to get in touch with you and to send our love and greetings to you. So here it is. Happy birthday, and it's nice to be reminded of you, and it's nice to be reminded of God's love for you. So happy birthday, and God bless you.
The Lord bless you with grace, power and protection, health and healing, holiness and godliness.
Bye! God bless!
Bye! God bless!
Birthday, Jaja! Happy birthday, Ate Jaja. Birthday, Jaja.
Hello po, kamusta po? Una po sa lahat, nagpapasalamat po ako kay Kuya Dex sa ginawa niya po birthday gift sa akin. Masasabi ko po na yun yung the best na natanggap ko buong buhay ko. So, hindi po sa material, kundi yung affirmation niya pong lahat ni Kuya Dex sa akin. Nung dalawa kong kapatid, si Kuya Dex at si Kuya din na nagmamahal sila sa akin kahit malayo ako. Maraming po salamat. Talagang na-surprise po ako dun sa video na ginawa niyo para sa akin. Thank you for taking the time na mag-send kay Kuya ng mga videos. At sabi niya nga, ang daming daw bloopers doon na hindi ko na nakita. So, talagang tuwan-tuwa po ako. Thank you po kay Pastor Roy, kay Ma'am Lydia, kay Pastor Kent. Sobrang na-surprise ako na naalala niya pa ako. Thank you po, Pastor, for lifting up my spirits. And sa mga kaibigan ko, kay Camille, kay Erin, kay ate sila, kay Mike, at sa bandmate ko, si Boyet, yung best friend ko sa band, si Boyet. Salamat dahil kinamusta mo ako. Salamat kay Rich Abante din. Idol ko yun sa pagkanta. Thank you din kay Jackie. Sino pa ba? Kay kuya ko, kuya din, yung panganay namin. Thank you, kuya, na miss na kita. I'm glad na kasi mahiyain yun eh. I'm glad na nakita kita sa video kaya naiyak din ako. Saka yung kapitbahay namin si Jake, yung ka-classic ko, ka-office mate ko, si Paul. Thank you, Paul. Si Maureen, nami-miss din kita. Sobrang dami nating fun memories. At sino pa ba? Yung sila tita sa Australia, si Doreen, lalo na si Mahalia. Sobrang namimiss ko si Mahalia at sobrang bait nitong taong to na hindi ko siya makakalimutan. At si Tito Ramon, si Ida, salamat po. Si Fran na katrabaho ni Kuya, si mag-asawa. Sino pa ba? Si Joy, si EJ, thank you sa greetings mo. Yung anak ng tita ko na nasa Canada, thank you. Si Raymond, si Lyria, si Isem, saka yung bunso nila anak, sobrang tawa ko ng tawa doon. Si Jamie, namimiss ko, sana good boy ka pa din. Sila Joven sa church, sila Daniel, sila Mia, sila Mark, thank you talaga, sobrang miss ko kayo. Si Kelly, si Cathy, si Israel, saka si Ava, thank you sa inyo. Okay. Jen, saka Dan, kahit wala kayo, thank you din sa mga emails nyo. Wala na ako maisip, pero thank you. Si Viel, kailangan ko atong uling panoorin yung video. Actually, nung napanood ko siya, hindi ako makatulog nun kasi medyo sentimental ko birthday ko, although hindi talaga ako nagse-celebrate ng birthday. Pero since na mag-isa lang ako dito, talagang iba yung kalungkutan dito. So yun, pinanood ko siya sa phone. Ang liit-liit lang ng telepono ko, so hindi ko gano'ng makita, pero pinakikinggan ko yung audio. Tapos yun, wala, iyak na ako ng iyak kasi nga natatouch ako na marinig sa mga taong nagmamahal, na meron palang nagmamahal sa akin, parang gano'n. Pero alam ko naman yun na si Kuya lagi na dyan para sa akin. So ang saya-saya ko nun. And then the next day, pinanood ko na siya, tapos dun ko naintindihan yung mga greetings niyo. So maraming salamat sa inyo, si Joyce, saka si Irish. Sobra akong tawa ng tawa. Alam ko makukulit kayo. Sana continue to grow in the Lord no matter what, lalo na yung sa church natin. I hope na someday magkaroon din ng reconciliation, whatever happens, na we're always a family. Kung meron man tayong nagagawa na hindi maganda, I pray that forgiveness will rule over. And at the end of the day, sabi nga ni JJ, and JJ, thank you. And yung wife niya and lovely kids, thank you sa inyo din. Sabi nga ni JJ, at the end of the day, be happy. Yun lang. Thank you. I love you from the bottom of my heart. Mwah.